This is a consonant sound. It's pronounced mm. I make this sound by closing my lips and letting the sound come through my nose. Mm. I can even feel my nose vibrating. You try. Mm. You can hear this sound at the beginning of the word more, in the middle of the word hammer, at the end of the word some, and at the beginning and end of the word mime. Now you try. Listen and repeat. More. Hammer. Some. Mime. Good. It may be difficult to hear the difference between this sound, and two similar sounds, the sound n that you hear at the end of the word sun, and the sound ng that you hear at the end of the word sung. Now listen carefully and watch the shape of my mouth as I say these words. Some, sun, sung, rum, run, rung. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Some, sun, sung, rum, run, rung. Good.
(2A). Mile, mine, mummy, comb, name. 2B.
The mile is very old.
This is mine.
He loves his mummy.
I want a comb.
He's proud of his name.
(3B). Mum's muffins.
Mum, may Tim Mitchum come home with me for tea tomorrow?
Of course, Malcolm. Have I met Tim before?
You met him in the summer. He's very small.
Oh, yes, I remember Tim. He's very smart and he has charming manners. Does his family come from Cambridge?
Yes. And, oh, Mum, will you make some homemade muffins tomorrow?
Maybe, if I have time.
I told Tim about your muffins, Mum. That's why he's coming for tea tomorrow.